Welcome to the third video in my Get Ready series called Get Ready to Make Your College List. Picture yourself walking through vibrant campuses, meeting like-minded peers, and unleashing your full potential in an environment that aligns with your passions. Are you ready to make it a reality? Hi, I'm Carolyn Smith, and I'm an educator here to help you with the college application process. So let's dive in. Creating a college list is an essential step in the college application process. It involves researching and identifying the colleges or universities that align with your academic, career, and personal goals. Here's my step-by-step guide on how to make a college list. Complete a self-assessment. Begin by understanding your preferences, your strengths, and your goals. Consider factors such as your academic interests and intended major, your preferred location. Does an urban environment sound exciting to you? Maybe you're more comfortable in a suburban setting. You'll also want to consider your proximity to home. College campus culture and size. You may want to visit a small liberal arts college and also a large research university to see the difference. You'll want to think about extracurricular activities and clubs you'd like to participate in. Also, financial considerations and available scholarships are something to think about. Make special note of admission requirements as it relates to your academic profile. Next, you'll want to start researching colleges and universities that meet your criteria. Visit the official websites of the colleges that interest you. They provide detailed information about academics, campus life, and admission requirements. Use college search engines like College Board, Niche, and College Navigator to filter colleges based on your preferences, such as location, majors, size, and more. I'll put those links below. You'll want to pay special attention to the following aspects: majors and academic programs offered, admission requirements and acceptance rates, campus facilities, resources, and support services, extracurricular opportunities, alumni success, and job placement rates. Next, you'll want to take all your research and organize your list. Create a spreadsheet or document to keep track of the colleges you're considering. In addition to your research, you'll want to include relevant details like location, application deadline, application fee, and any other pertinent information for each school. Categorize your list. Divide your list into 3 categories: reach, match, and safety schools. Reach schools are colleges where your academic credentials are below the average admitted student's profile. While it's a stretch, your profile still aligns with the college's requirements. Match schools are colleges where your academic credentials and achievements align well with the typical admitted student's profile. Safety schools are colleges where your academic credentials exceed the average admitted student's profile, making it highly likely you'll be accepted. Whenever possible, visit the campuses of the colleges on your list to get a feel for the atmosphere, the facilities, and overall environment. If visiting in person is not feasible, take advantage of virtual tours and online resources to explore the campuses. I have a few videos that will help you maximize your college tour experience. I'll put those links below. You'll want to talk to school counselors, teachers, alumni, current students, and college graduates to gather insights and personal experiences about the colleges you're considering. Based on your research, campus visits, and advice from others, begin narrowing down your college list. Be realistic about your chances of acceptance while ensuring that you have a mix of reach, match, and safety schools. Formulate an application strategy based on the deadlines and requirements of the colleges on your list. Prepare well in advance for standardized tests and gather all necessary documents for your applications. Remember, creating a college list is a personal process, and it's important to find institutions that match your unique goals and aspirations. Take your time, be thorough in your research, and stay organized throughout the process. Get ready to embrace the journey of a lifetime and choose a college that ignites your passion, unlocks your talents, and sets you on a path to greatness. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss my next video. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, I'm always cheering for you. I'll see you next time.